Okay, we got all our pieces cut out for our head, to do our head. We need 7 pieces for the head. These are going to be our center pieces. We need 3 of these. I use a 1x12. I can get all 7 pieces cut out of that, 1x12 by 8. These are our 3 center pieces, which are about 9.5 by 7 3/4. What you can do is use a piece of paper, a piece of cardboard, draw your design out, and use that as your pattern, because we need 3 for the center. And then the next piece, what we got is, this is going to incorporate the neck. It's not the right one. This one. This will incorporate the neck, and what you want to do is you're going to cut the center piece out, cut that off. That piece you don't need, but you're going to hang on to this piece because you're going to use it later on, and we'll get to that. So that'll go back in there. So you need 2 of these. These are 11 1/4 by about 6 1/2. Like I say, you need 2 of these. We're going to notch this out in here. That's for our 1/2 inch dowel to go into, and that's what our string is going to come up and over. When we get to that point, we have our last piece in. These are our very outside pieces. You need 2 of these, 7 1/4 by about 7. So you're going to need 2 of these. We've already done our ears, so the ears are all done. You can look that up on my YouTube page to see how I make ears. Just look up ears. We have our 1 1/4 inch dowel that we're going to use for our stick. So it's 1 1/4 round by 8 inches long. That's will go in through the neck. And then the last thing we have is our mouth, our lower mouth with the lower lip and chin. This will get shaved down later on when I get it to where it needs to fit, but you're going to need 3 of these. So this is 3 inches by 3 1/4. So like I say, just draw it out and use that as your pattern. And again, we're just going to glue those 2 after it sets up. We'll add the next piece. If you try to do too many pieces at once, then it slip and slide all over you. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section and I will get back with you. Thanks for watching.